So my name's James Gray, and I'm Director of Product for Big Data at Phunware. We were founded in 2009, all on mobile. And so we have a mobile applications platform that allows some of the biggest brands in the world engage, manage, and monetize their users, whether it's through mobile applications. And then another part of our business is how do we reach those users at scale with some of the campaigns that we run on mobile. And again, data being a centerpiece to both reaching people on mobile as well as delivering great mobile application experiences. Our data set's huge, and so we see over 1 billion mobile devices a month. We have over 1.5 billion nodes in our database and over 17 billion relationships. And so performance and scale was critical for us. And seeing query performance, in milliseconds or seconds was really critical for us. And then being able to show customers, whether those people are internal users of our data, but also customers of what does the data look like, right? So Neo4j, right, the great graphical representations of the graph is very intuitive, allows us to really explain to our customers what their data looks like and how they can use it to really derive value. We've seen great performance. And as basic as it sounds, for people just to see what their data looks like visually, right? I think we've been able to uncover all kinds of data quality issues, what kinds of things that we can do to improve the data quality, right? As well as things that, processes that we use to run on our big data cluster that may take us hours or days to do, right? Going months ago before we had Neo4j in place, we're now doing those same routines and being able to extract data and in knowledge within seconds. And so just the kind of the rapid pace that we're able to bring data together has dramatically changed, right, for us. Right, so I'm really excited to be here at GraphConnect. We just came to market with our newest product called our Phunware Knowledge Graph, and it allows customers to really do the same things that we do internally, both using that knowledge graph to deliver great mobile experiences using the connected data that we have around mobile device profiles, being able to deliver personalized in-app messaging based upon, again, the device profile we have. And then being able to literally within minutes or seconds generate mobile device audiences at scale, given very complex queries, and being able to target people based upon the types of apps that they've used, the types of locations that they've visited, the types of intent they have and interests. We're super excited to enable customers to do many of the same things that we do internally, but allow them to build upon our data set, extend it with all of the interesting data and domain knowledge they have in their business, and really allow it to become really a critical knowledge asset within their company. So we're super excited about that. Again, we use Neo4j inside our company, and then as a part of our solution, Neo4j being really the engine that powers our Phunware Knowledge Graph product. We're super excited about that. I think we went about it very methodically, where we really took some time to understand what the data was in modeling it and describing it and connecting it, so that when we brought it into Neo4j, physically, we knew it was going to represent the types of insights and the types of connections that we wanted to do. I think maybe if I look back is that we would have really looked at some of the data quality issues that maybe were resident within the data, but frankly, a lot of those came to be in surface because we actually had them in the graph, and we were able to really uncover some of the anomalies in the data, especially around some of the geolocation data. If we maybe looked at that a little bit sooner, but again, being able to get it inside the graph, we're able to uncover some things that we just couldn't have, if the data was in its raw form.